Guys, hope you're doing well. So I wanted to give you a little quick tutorial on how to get into Epic and log in. And what Epic is just a place for you to go to access a bunch of different books. They've got all kinds of books from nonfiction to fiction, a range of different styles. So I think that most people are going to be able to go on here and find something that they would enjoy. Okay, and I just think this would be a really great resource while we are not in school. So the first thing that you're going to do is you're going to pull up your web browser. You're going to type getepic.com. That's getepic.com. Then we're going to hit enter. Now when you get to this page, you're going to come over here and you're going to click login. Then you're going to click students and educators. Now notice when we get to this page, because I've already logged in before with this class code, it pops up down here. So after you've logged in the first time, it should just pop up right here and you can just click it. So, but because this will be your first time, you're going to put my class code in, which is CYV7571. I'm going to click go. Now, when you get to this page, you have two options. One, you can create your own profile so that you can click your name every time you log in. You can make your own little library. It's all pretty much accustomed to you. If not, you can just click guest student, which is what I'm going to do today. Okay, so when you get to this page up here, you can search a book by author, title, or keyword. You can come down to here and search by your lexile. So if you know your lexile, you can search for books specific to that, or maybe even a little bit more to give yourself a challenge. So you just click this little drop box, and then you click which books you want, what lexile range, okay? They have books specifically that will read to you. Now when I click this, it's going to be a lot for kids that are younger, okay? But when you search by your lexile, when you search, there will be some books that come up if you want them to read to you. We've got audiobooks, and there are videos. I've not used the videos much, so I'm not sure what's all in here. But you know, there's an option as well. So just to give you guys an example, okay, so when you come up here, or when you click here, you see a lot of different topics of books that you can look at. And let's type one. I recently searched Diary of a Wimpy Kid because I see a lot of kids reading that book. Seems to be a popular one. Okay, so I hit Diary of a Wimpy Kid. Now all these books come up. Okay, now I think because I changed that lexile, oh no, here it is. Okay, so you have all these different books. You choose the one you want, you click on it. Okay, starts from the beginning, tells you the lexile. And when you click on words, it gives you the definition. I'm not sure if you'll be able to hear that as it says in the word as well, but just click through the page. It's just like reading a book, okay? Click a word, gives you the definition, helps pronounce it. Okay, so let's get out of here. Now, like I said before, if you do make your own profile, you can make your own little library, and that will be right here. Okay, so that is how you get logged into Epic, and I hope that you guys will use it. Hope you guys have a good day. Thanks for watching.